Okay, so to start, you go to design tab, you add your close it, you add your two buttons, button 1 and button 2. So before pulling down your constraints or going through with your constraints, first thing you should do is you need to change this button to come back and you change the ID btn no, btn2, also change this to app combat button. That's it. You come back, then you constrain it. Okay. First button constraint. Sorry. Okay, let me just okay. Okay, then this looks neat. With that done, let's go back to the editing portion is done. Now let's come back to the designing portion. Okay. Go to your project, then there will be multiple options. You go to your resource folder, drawable folder, click on it, right click, upload to new, choose drawable source file, then you type whatever name you want, like I'm gonna call it back underscore one, and you click OK. Then you change the selector to shape. After that, let me just zoom it out. You add shape as rectangle, solid, closing tag, color. This is an inbuilt color, so let me just change it to white for white, and I can change it from here. I'll go for like a nice bluish shade. Okay. This looks fine. Then let me add some color. Radius 20 dp would be fine. Achha. Now, since I have two buttons, I've been sending two backgrounds. So let me just click on this back underscore one.xml and Control C. Click on drawable and Control V. You name the folder as back underscore 2. Then you just delete out this V2 V24. Okay, so the folder name would be Harikrishnan Android Studio project underscore 1 app underscore source underscore main. It's not underscore, it's backslash main backslash that's backslash and this backslash drawable. Okay, that's it. Okay, so you have a back to. When you click on your back to, make sure your back to is on in the back to in the screen is on interface. You change the color to whichever color you want for second button. I'm going to choose a nice well, light. This orange color will look fine. Orange, yellow, what you want to call it. Okay, let it have a 20 dp radius. That's it. Now come back to your main active underscore XML. Click on your button. Change the width of the button to like 200 dp would be fine. Height, let me just say 40 dp. Similarly for second button, 200 dp. Width should be fine. Height should be like 40 dp would be fine. Now come back to your first button. You type background, then the background is in drawable folder, drawable back underscore one. Second button, you go, you type background, drawable underscore two. Two buttons added. Let me just change the text of the second button. Let me just make it red. Next button, let me just make it green. Okay. Come back to main activity underscore XML. You create two buttons and let me just call btn1 and btn2 simply. Now I have also, I forgot to add, I need to ID the constraint file also. constraint layout also. So id crt. So constraint layout crt. Okay, now find view by id method. So btn1 is equal to find view by id r dot id dot btn1. btn2 is equal to find view by id method r dot id dot btn2. Now constraint file crt is equal to find view by id r dot id dot crt. Now what happens when I press btn1? btn1 dot set on click listener new view on click listener crt dot set background color dot red. That will do it. I can copy this code, control V, change btn1 to btn2, we change your color to gray. Okay, yeah, this will work fine. You run your application and see.